Hello everybody, welcome to this brand new video. In this video we're gonna take a look on how to partition or hard disks on Windows. Just follow along with me. So just go here, type format, create and format hard disks. So just click there. Disk management will open. So you just go to this file, the hard disk that you want to partition. For me, I'll come here, I have 866 point. Just right click, go to string volume. It will tell you please wait. It's gonna take some little second. It just depends how fast your computer is or your internet system, just depend. But this one I don't think is using the internet system, so just gonna wait for a little while. Just be patient for a moment. Yeah, so it is finished. So you can see, enter the amount of space to string in MB. Total size after stringing should not be less than this one. So I'm going to enter that amount to string. This is my amount. I'm going to string 0, 2, is the amount I'm going to string, because you have to times 1024, because 1024 megabyte equals to 1 gig. So I'll multiply 1024 times 100 if I have this amount. So this is what I'm going to string, that is 124,000. So this is what I'm going to string right now. But you're not going to follow this one. So this is just a practice exercise. After I've just entered the one, then I just going to take, I'm going to click everything. I'm going to click string. It's going to take some time. Yeah, so it is finished. As you can see here, we have here 100 GB unallocated. So I want to right click there, new simple volume, click where this welcome to the new simple volume wizard. The wizard will help you, blah 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 blah. You click next. Yeah, you don't have to do anything, because if you want to change, you can change some setting here, but don't have to do anything here. I'll just click here, next. Now you can change, you can name everything from here, maybe H, maybe B. You can choose whatever alphabet letter you like. For me, I'll just allow the H. It said do not assign a drive letter or this. You allow this one. Assign the following drive letter. You allow it. So monitor in the following empty. No, don't. You just allow that one. Then you click here, next. If you like to choose, format this volume with the following setting. If you don't like, you choose take a do not format this volume. So but I'll allow the format this volume as it's like this. And then new then volume label, new volume. You cannot change anything here. Maybe you can give it I'll just give it my name, or let me just say I'll give it my name. So perform quick format, you allow this one, just click next, finish. It's going to take a little second. Formatting. Yeah, everything is done. You can see this is the hard drive. You can see this is the pop-up message. Select what happened with removal of disk. This is the name. You can see that is how you format, or you partition your hard disk on Windows. Thank you guys. Love and share this video. Until then, see you.